Al-Qublan Thermopipe Factory Company was founded in 1994. It is one of the pioneers in the manufacturing of PPR pipes and fittings in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The company produces polypropylene random copolymer PPR products. To ensure the superior quality, the products are manufactured according to DIN, ISO and SASU standards and regularly checked by external independent laboratories. Welding of composite pipe with aluminum layer and fitting. PPR aluminum PPR black pipe and fitting. PPR aluminum PPR pipe and fitting. Tools and accessories. K.T.P welding machines. K.T.P pipe cutter or K.T.P circular pipe cutter. K.T.P PPR aluminum pipe peeler. Industrial cloth. Alcohol. Measuring tape. Pencil or pen marker. Step number 1. Cut the PPR pipe according to the length required. The cut end of the pipe should then be perpendicular to the pipe axis. Step number 2. Measure the socket depth of the welding distance and mark it at the end of the pipe. Step number 3. Peel the PPR outermost layer and the aluminum middle layer up to the marked distance. Make sure that all aluminum has been removed from the pipe welding surface using a cutter knife. Step number 4. The surface to be welded should be cleaned by alcohol or wiped by a clean cloth. Step number 5. Insert and push the pipe end and fitting into the heating tool. This after making sure that the welding machine has reached the right set temperature of 260 degrees Celsius. Step number 6. Insert the melted pipe into the fitting and join it as quickly as possible. At the same time, pay attention to the alignments. Avoid rotating the pipe during this process. K.T.P products have an application for both industrial and commercial use. Al-Qublan Thermopipe Company